Today our to-do list includes getting the kitchen put together. We have the cabinets halfway done. We need to configure them, put the countertop on. So we're gonna take care of that today. You're watching American Roots. It looks gorgeous. They look very professional.
They do, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, nice. Custom.
The whole thing looks beautiful.
See, I might actually bring this up here. That way I've got more room back here. So I'm not dealing like tag is where I go to put the net in. The old net. You know what, ideally, I want to keep this taped. And the reason why is it'll minimize tear out from the saw cutting. So it'll keep it looking like it was really nice and clean. Another tech tip. You gotta be 100% sure because there's zero going back. Once it's cut, it's cut.
Okay. Pressure's on.
Pressure is on.
You wearing any PPE? You need eyewear?
No.
Okay.
Just making sure I'm clear and everything.
Should we take the drawer out so all the stuff isn't inside the drawer?
It's gonna go on the bottom then. At least in here I can pull the drawer out and dump it out.
Okay, it's still gonna go everywhere, but...
It will. And in there. Yeah, that's good.
Okay.
Our hearts beat to the city streets. We began to feel the fire. We rise like tall buildings as the chemicals, they take us higher. The night's young and it's just begun as she puts her hand in mine. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop, as we shout from the top. We're gonna be two hearts running wild. We lay awake in bed. It laughs so loud as the hours pass. We're gonna do it all again. We wanna chase the night, wanna dance to the light, pull the stars from the sky, just two hearts running wild. Never sleep, never stop. We shout from the top. We're gonna be.
Nice work.
And what I could do is come up underneath with a bigger bit so I can get my wrench.
Need to sweep the screen a little bit more.
I can pop it out and blow it.
Okay.
Let me do that. Blowing that bug back and forth. Let's See, it'll be like Wizard of Oz. You can just come on the other side and talk to me and hand me shit through the window. I had a dream.
You have to go under the cabinet.
You have to go into the cabinet. Or you can save it for starting fire.
Either or.
Because this is going to make a nice cutting board as well when we're done.
Mm-hmm.
And what I could do is take a router bit and
Make it
run
neat.
over those edges. And then you can put it on the sink.
I could have exactly what I wanted. And I really love it. I think it was exactly what I needed. We just wanted to get a kitchen that would fit, and they had sinks of all shapes and sizes. This is a 21-inch farm sink, and I really like the size. It's very fitting, and it fits directly under the window. To me, I love that.
Got a shot back.
We've really been working hard. The kitchen is coming together really nicely. I'm super excited to see everything on the walls. The colors look good. We're gonna mount the sink. And then I think all we have to do is finish oiling the countertop and then we're done. We're gonna kind of like faux plumb it in and get it ready for when we have water. But in the meantime, we're gonna focus on something else. Stay tuned. Until next time, we appreciate you hanging out with us. It's been super awesome getting a kitchen put in our tiny house. It feels like a home. It really just feels nice. There's like space for me, and I don't know, it just has a nice feel. So I hope this encourages somebody to buy dirt, not diamonds. And until next time, we're praying blessings on you. We'll see you soon.